Hello, Dr. Franz Lang here. The largest city in Kazakhstan was its capital before it was replaced by Nur-Sultan. It's known for its vibrant culture, modern amenities, and scenic surroundings. Kazakh and Russian are the two main languages spoken in this city. In Kazakh, the city is pronounced Almaty, Almaty, Almaty. While in Russian, the city is pronounced Almaty, 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 Almaty. Alright, if you enjoy learning our pronunciations, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join me on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Tschüss.